Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice movement today, and the price continues to work its way higher and higher. And really going forward, the level that catches my eye, and I'm not going to call this a do or die level, but I'd consider it very, very important. It's right here at 17 cents. And why is 17 important? Well, as of now, the price is nothing loud or anything, but just nice and quietly, the price has been slowly building these bases and getting higher and higher. Or if you want to picture those as stair steps, the bulls are totally kind of in construction mode of some nice, healthy stair steps in the upwards direction. And that's a sign of good health. And assuming you're long and assuming you're bullish, then you would want to see a sign of good health continue. So that's why the price staying up above 17 cents is very important. And the other reason why it's important is just some good common logic. The logic being, well, if this price movement is got some true power behind it, well then by definition it needs to keep on making progress forward. Does that mean it's got to shoot to the sky, shoot to the moon? I'm not saying that, but just make progress forward, right? If a movement is truly bullish, it's going to move forward, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. And that's also what 17 cents is representing. If the price breaks below there and then continues to separate to the downside, well, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it already was. And, like I said, and I'm assuming we all can agree with, truly bullish moves don't go back to where they were. But again, if it continues to stay above 17 cents, then as I already drew out, those stair steps are still totally in play. So 17, definitely a very important level of support. And then the other area that really stands out, so really two key technical levels going forward. That first key technical level being at 17, as we discussed, and the other one being this level of resistance up here at 18.5 cents. So 18.5, you can see now on two separate occasions, both there and then today right there, has been very stubborn. Not saying the price can't break through it or anything, but just from the overall charting perspective and technical point of view, those are going to be the two key levels that a lot of people are going to be watching. So 17 cents on support, 18.5 cents as resistance. So we'll see if the bulls can get the break of that 18.5 cent mark or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.